So let's start today's drawing. For that I'm going to do plus sign and I'm going to draw really dark so you can see, but try to draw light on your paper. And this is really cute. So when I'm going to draw, not circle, this time I'm going to draw one rectangle. You can draw freestyle like a ellipse shape and whatever you like, but I really like this way because this way I can see where my lines will go and I can repeat my artwork again and again. So this bottom one I will do tiny triangle over here, tiny triangle over here, top one over here. I can pick one point over here and kind of like this way. Now this is my plus sign. From here I'm going to draw one curvy line, or you can draw one curvy line over here, cute one, and then you can do alphabet D or alphabet U on the top. And long U under this shape. And I'm going to draw alphabet W, but kind of like a drop shape style. So I will do one here and the other one is little bit long over here. It's look like an acorn right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw alphabet C upside down over here, and this area we are going to shade or color it later. Now I'm going to draw the eye. For that I'm going to do one smiley face over here and same thing over this side. From here I'm going to pull this one and almost here, not touching this one, just a little bit down, and I will turn this one. If you like circle shape, you can draw circle shape. Same thing I'm going to do here. This time I'm going to draw something different. So let's draw the crescent shape over here. So like a smiley face over here. Same thing I'm going to draw here. And from here again one more. On the top of this corner I'm going to draw one circle here and one big circle over here. On the top of this one tiny circle and one big circle here. Now I'm going to draw alphabet C, so I'm going to take a point over here. So I will start from here and I will go all the way here. And when I'm doing it, it's very close to this line, but slowly by slowly I will move it up. Try to touch this one. If you are going a little bit out of this line, that's totally fine. You can start from here too. So I'm picking point over here and I'm picking point over here and I'm going to draw. So this side it's touching, this side it's not. That's totally fine. On the top of this one we are going to do kind of like curvy line or alphabet C, and then I will turn this one coming in. For this eye I'm going to start from here and I will come kind of like this direction, and from here I'm going to do a one big curvy line over here. I'm going to draw one more curvy line, and from here we can do alphabet U, bigger than this one, another alphabet U, and bigger than this one, you can draw another alphabet U over here. So this was our line. I'm making it dark. If you are going a little bit out from this line, that's totally fine. It will look more cute. Now I will pick one point over here and one point over here. From here I'm going to draw curvy line and then alphabet S, kind of like a pear shape. Same thing I will do from here, and this side it's going to be slightly bigger than this side. Now here in the middle I'm going to draw alphabet U, and then smaller than the first one I'm going to draw another one in this direction, and this one will go this direction. Same thing I'm going to do, but this one is going to be straight down, and then this will go this direction. So I will make these ones a little bit out. Now from this side I'm going to pull this one little bit out and make a super duper skinny U over here, and then I will erase this line so it feels like it's connected. From here I'm going to draw one curvy line, and I will draw some U's over here. Now this is the place I'm going to start. So from here I will do one curvy line over here, and then I will go this direction. You can pick one point over here, and from here we can draw another curvy line, and from here it can go a little bit longer than this one or shorter than this one, and from here I will curve again, and I can draw one more curvy line from here on the top, and I can draw another curvy line. On the bottom of this one we are going to draw two alphabet U, and two lines from here, one tiny line in the middle to create bumpy here, kind of like a W. This line we can do going in to make it fluffy. From here I'm going to turn this one kind of like alphabet L, and from here I'm going to turn this one and go here. And we can make it this one curvy, and one curvy inside. Now these creation shape I'm going to color with my pencil, so it will be gray. Now we can draw some strokes.